This is an interesting pistol with a sordid lineage. A Chinese gun that's a civilianized copy of a Chinese copy of a Russian pistol. I'm Jim Humphrey with Imminent Threat Defense Firearms Training, and this is the Norinco 213 9mm semi-automatic pistol. Let's take it apart.
As always, ensure the safety is engaged, keep your finger off the trigger, keep the firearm pointed in a safe direction, and check and double check the pistol is empty. Ensure all live ammunition is removed from the work area. To remove the slide stop lever, the retention clamp on the right side needs to be pulled back. Here, I use a non-marring nylon tool to assist. Remove the slide stop lever by pressing on the right and pulling from the left. The slide stop lever can be removed without relocating the slide. The slide comes off from the front. Be careful to retain the recoil spring. With the slide removed, carefully release the recoil spring. Rotate the bushing 180 degrees and remove the barrel and bushing. The hammer and sear pull out of the pistol as a group by lowering the hammer and just lifting it out. The grips are removed by sliding a lever inside the left panel from front to rear. This lever can be seen better with the grip removed. The right panel has a similar locking system, but it can only be accessed with the left panel removed. Replace the grips in the reverse order. They generally fit pretty tight, but don't use too much force, the grips break easily. In particular, don't press on the edges of the grips. Press them down from the center. The hammer group drops straight back in. The hammer needs to be cocked and the safety engaged. The barrel is inserted into the slide from the front. Notice the barrel link. Once the slide is on the frame, it's going to have to be lined up for the slide stop lever. Note the flat spot on the recoil spring guide. That side goes against the barrel. The recoil spring is inserted and the slide pulled onto the frame. The slide stop hole is lined up with the barrel link, and the slide stop lever is inserted through the frame so that it goes through the link in the barrel. The retention clip holds the slide stop lever in place. The recoil spring has to be compressed in order to rotate the barrel bushing. I'm careful to keep that spring pointed in a safe direction.
Not much to it, but that's what you'd expect from a essentially 1930s Soviet design. I'm Jim Humphrey with Imminent Threat Defense Firearms Training. Until next time, enjoy your firearms, join the NRA, and stay safe out there. Thanks.